beams. If you build it, they will come. This should be our low spot right here. Ow. Am I in the way?
Okay, so right here, okay, remember it was 4 foot 2.25 over there? Yeah. So this is 4 foot. Two and 3/4 over here. Okay. So that's your 4 foot 2 3/4. Now, depending how much rock you want to put here, right? So you want to put 6 inches of rock. Okay. So what happens when we put 6 inches of rock? This says? So this goes 6 inches higher, right? So what about this? Exactly. Perfect.
Let's do our 0 mark about halfway up the slope though. No, that way, towards the end. No, oh, behind you.
It's higher over here. It's the high spot.
No, I mean all the way over there, like 4 or 5 feet, right in there. Let's do that as our 0 mark. So now where's he setting it, Eli? What height? What number? 42 and 3/4 or whatever it was. What was it?
So right here, it's 3 foot. Okay, 3 foot. 11's right here. Each one's a quarter. All right. In between's a half or 1/8. So it's just. Okay, so 3 foot 11, 7/8.
What's the measurement in inches?
It's 47 and 7/8.
Okay, don't, if you do inches over there, do inches over here. Just for training's sake.
Yeah.
So now we want 6 inches of rock, Eli.
So 47 7/8 minus 6 inches. Because remember, you're going minus because you're going up. Exactly. So 41 7/8. Which is
Eli, the tape measure is not a fiddle toy.
over here, since it's in feet and inches, you gotta go 4 foot 5 and 7/8. Okay? Because you're in feet and inches. So when we get 6 inches of rock,
Okay, that means it's my turn. Mila, move. Okay. Let's get this, do a God mark here, or a grade mark. So get that leveled out and get our 6-inch, and then we'll build off of that. You got that, Eli? So we're gonna get that spot level at least, so we can work all the way across at level. It should make it more efficient that way.